Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm back at my sewing machine, but today I'm not doing quilting. I'm going to be making these tote bags, shopping bags, whatever, out of our feed bags. If you have animals, you know how many feed bags you can accumulate. So, I've taken this one, I've cut off the top and the bottom where they had sewn it with tape or whatever. So the first thing and I've washed it. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off 3 inches. This will become the handles. And each one is going to be 22 inches. If you want a smaller bag, you can cut whatever size you want. And you turn the bag inside out. So I'm going to do the handles first. So I'm going to cut 22 inches. And I cut 3 inches wide. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is fold it in half. Take a little. And then take each side, fold it into the center. You can use any kind of animal feed bags. These are like woven, and they're wonderful because they're waterproof, they're strong. We've been using them, oh gosh, for 5 years now. At least. We go to the grocery store and use them. Okay, and then I'll just sew a seam. Okay, I'll do the same thing with the second hand. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is draw a line 1 inch. And we'll do it on both sides. This is the top of it. This is where we'll okay, then we're going to fold this down on the line. And then we're going to fold it down one more time. Okay, and then we're going to attach the handles. To attach the handles, I'm going to come in 5 inches on each side. Okay, and then 5 inches on this side.
From the seam?
Well, it'll be the side seam.
Okay.
Same on the other side. Take it on from the side seam, 5 inches. Here we go. And then we'll take and put it on the inside, up under. And then we'll take this side, do the same thing. I'm going to get a couple clips. And then I'll sew a seam on the bottom here. Okay. What we'll do now is flip these up and sew on the top. My threads and the top is all done. You could do it like an X over here if you want to, but it's really not necessary. They're really sturdy. Okay, and then we do the bottom and find where it's creased here. Okay, I'm going to sew a seam across, and then I'm going to do a zigzag. I'll just give it a little extra stability. Okay. These threads. Okay, we're going to open the bag. Make sure the center seam's on the bottom. And make sure the seam is all going the same way. And I'm going to make a triangle. And the same way with this side. Okay, we're going to measure 4 inches up from the point and 4 inches up this point. Sew across there, do the same on the other side. Okay, I'll sew right along that line. And what we do Turn the bag inside out. Couple threads here I need to clip. And there's a bag made out of a feed sack. Use dog food bags, bird seed, anything plastic. It's waterproof, very durable. So that's all there is to it.
And we're not sponsored by Comback. It's just what we use.
Yeah, that's ours. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. Bye.